Hey guys, welcome back to another meal prep video. Today I'm going to be keeping things real simple and nutritious with these meal prep favorites. It's basically a healthy rice bowl packed with veggies and protein, as well as fluffy blueberry muffins that are perfect for breakfast or if you're just looking for a snack. So whether you're meal prepping for the week or you just want some quick and easy options, these recipes are here to make your life a lot easier and a lot tastier. So let's dive right into the video. The rice that I'm using for this rice bowl is whole grain brown rice. This is an Australian brand that I found at Costco. The only thing that I will tell you guys is just keep in mind that whole grain brown rice does take a while longer to cook. So I'm actually gonna be cooking it down in chicken stock or chicken broth. To me, it just adds a lot more flavor to the rice. My protein option that I'm actually going with today will be sausages, and this one is just the original Italian pork sausage. I'm removing the casing, and I'm just gonna brown the sausage down.
I made reservations, too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location? Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay.
I'm just gonna add some garlic, minced garlic. The sausages are already seasoned, so you don't really have to add that much more seasonings to it. But if you feel like it, you can definitely do so, because of course we're gonna be adding fresh veggies. So it's all about preference. I did go ahead and grate down some chorizo sausages that I had on hand, and this to me just adds a little bit of extra flavor with the smokiness from the chorizo and also the extra spices that it has as well. So the rice is ready. And guys, you can actually use any type of rice that you want to. It's all up to you. But for me, if I'm going for a healthier option, I believe that the whole grain brown rice would be the better choice. So here I've created just a bit of a hole in the middle of the pan that I can add the bell peppers and just have them cook down a bit before I'm mixing everything together. Now we'll just season the bell peppers with a little bit of cracked black pepper and just a pinch of salt.
I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up.
And of course, Mrs. Dash.
Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder.
So I'm also gonna add some smoked ground chipotle pepper to this as well. This just adds that smoky flavor that I really love. Growing up in the Caribbean, would smoke everything, smoke chicken. It doesn't matter, we smoke everything. So I really love anything that has a smoky flavor to it. And this was actually perfect for this rice bowl.
I made reservations, too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location? Used to talk 24/7 every other
I had some spinach left over from the last meal prep, so I decided to add those to the rice bowl as well. I did go ahead and squeeze out all of the excess water because that of course would not have been good for this particular meal. And so I will season that down with a little bit of cracked black pepper, just a pinch of salt, and just a little bit of dried herbs.
Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. 'Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say.
So this is already looking really good. I'm just gonna add some of the rice to it, and then the rice bowl will be complete. As you guys can see, the rice is really fluffy, so it's actually perfect for this recipe. But again, you can definitely use any rice that you feel like, or maybe even cauliflower rice or quinoa. Any of those would actually work perfectly for this particular meal.
Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up?
So looking back on some of my previous meal prep videos, I have noticed that my portion sizes were a lot bigger than I wanted them to be. So here I am really trying to portion my food out a bit smaller. That way I am not consuming too many calories at the end of the day. So yeah, these are my 5 lunches for the next couple of days. And this turned out pretty good actually. Yes, I am truly grateful, thankful, and beyond blessed. Lunches are ready, and just pack those away. So now I'm just gonna work on the breakfast blueberry muffins. So for this, I will list the ingredients in the description. So if any of you guys would like to give it a try, you can do so, and then you can let me know how it turned out. Now, with the blueberries, I actually used frozen blueberries because those were the only ones I had on hand. And what I found was the texture of the muffin once it came out of the oven was not really what I expected it to be. But if any of you, like I said, are gonna try this recipe, please use a fresh blueberries instead. Do not use a frozen, because once of course they've released the liquid, it just changes the texture of the final product. And of course, sugar, I was trying my best not to use refined sugar and not to use too much sugar as well. The better option would have been either coconut sugar or maybe maple syrup or honey, but I decided to go ahead and just use brown sugar.
From me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say. Don't be so hard to reach. Just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed.
The recipe did not call for any dried oats, but I did add about 2 tablespoons of dried oats to it as well.
Don't be
and 1 teaspoon of grated lemon zest, just because lemon zest and blueberries go really well together.
Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say. Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say. Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say. Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed.
So you guys could actually go back and check my summer berry picking video. These blueberries are actually from from that trip to the berry farm. I still have about maybe another bag and a half of blueberries in the freezer, but yeah. So the oven has been preheating at 375 degrees. The muffins will basically go in and will bake for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of this amazing content. Again, thank you so much. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.